Hey, welcome to the video. Right, if food is the thing standing in between where you want to be, whether that's fat loss, building some lean muscle tissue, or just feeling better in your own skin, this video is going to be perfect for you. So I'd probably watch on if that's the case. I speak to so many people who've tried everything, right? They tracked every single calorie, followed meal plans, downloaded every single app going, and they're still stuck, still confused, still starting over every bloody Monday. But the honest truth about it is, and wait for it, the problem isn't you, okay? It's that approach has been way too complicated for far too long. So today I'm going to give you one very simple framework that removes almost all of that noise around food. And once you've got it, you'll never look at nutrition the same way again. So here it is. Stop trying to manage everything at once, first and foremost. Most people think they need to change absolutely everything when their diet isn't really working properly. More protein, less fat, cut the carbs, overhaul the whole damn thing. And that's exactly why they stay stuck in a rut. When you're changing everything at once, you've got absolutely no idea what is actually working. So here's what I use with every single client of mine, and it's called the SMART plate. Every meal gets built the same way. You don't need apps, you don't need weighing scales, you don't even need to count anything at all. Just use your hand. Simple. 1 to 2 pounds of protein every meal. Chicken, fish, turkey, eggs, Greek yogurt, whatever works for you, okay? Whatever you enjoy. This is non-negotiable. Protein is the foundation of every single meal. Then 1 to 2 fists of vegetables or fruit. Fill that plate out. Broccoli, spinach, peppers, mixed salad. This is where your fiber is going to come from, your micronutrients will come from, and all this stuff keeps you full in between meals, meaning you'll snack less. Then 1 cupped hand of carbohydrates, whether it's rice, potatoes, pasta, oats, that kind of stuff. This is where most people either go way too heavy or cut out everything entirely. Neither extreme works. And then 1 thumb of fats. So that's olive oil, avocado, nuts, butter. Fats are healthy, but they're calorie dense. And this is the one that people generally accidentally overdo, so be careful with that. That's the whole plate, and that's the system, built the same way every single meal. Now here's the bit that's going to be really useful for you moving forward. The carbohydrate portion is going to be your lever. So if you've got a training day, go 1 to 2 hands of carbohydrates. That's going to help fuel your workouts. Your body needs that fuel to perform correctly and also to recover. If you're on a rest day, then put it back a little bit, so have half a hand or none at all if you feel like it. You're not doing the workout as intensely, so you don't need as much fuel. The rest of the plate is going to stay exactly the same. The protein stays the same, the veg stays the same, the fats stay roughly the same as well. You just turn in the carb portion up or down depending on what your day is looking like training wise. Now we can also manipulate it if fat loss isn't working for you. So if fat loss isn't going in the right direction and you're training consistently and you're moving consistently, don't slash everything, just reduce that carb portion by half a hand and give it a week to 10 days and see how it goes. If you're trying to build strength or improve performance in the gym, you're putting the work in and you're not getting stronger, then just bump the carbohydrate portion up slightly on training days and see what changes that way after 7 to 10 days. I've coached people for 12 years, right? And the ones who overcomplicate food never win long term. The ones who build a simple, repeatable structure and plan are the ones that make the progress. They make small adjustments time after time. And they're the ones still going 6 months, 12 months later with real results, with no need to start over every single Monday. Build the SMART plate. Keep the protein, veg, and fats consistent. Use the carb portion as your dial based on your goal and what you want to be doing on any given day, whether that's training or recovering. And that is it. That's the whole thing. If this makes sense and you want help putting it into practice, the link below to get started with Zenith Fit is here. So have a look at that. There's also a link to a free 2-week plan. So go and check that out if you want a nice, simple plan to follow for the next 2 weeks. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.